ओम गम गणपते नमः। ओम गुं गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम सं सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम रं रमापतये नमः। ओम लक्ष्मीनारायणाभ्यां नमः। ओम वाणी हिरण्यगर्भाभ्यां नमः। ओम सीतारामाभ्यां नमः। ओम मातृभ्यो नमः। ओम पितृभ्यो नमः। ओम ऋषिभ्यो नमः। ओम मुनिभ्यो नमः। ओमाचार्येभ्यश्च नमो नमः। सर्वेभ्यश्च देवी देवताभ्यश्च नमो नमः। Namaste dear all. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today I am going to deliver you a wonderful stotra on Anjaneya, Lord Sri Anjaneya. That is Anjaneya Upajati Stotra. Why it is called so? Because it is composed in Upajati Chandas. This is a 11-lettered 4-line stotra. The first 3 padams are composed in Indravajra Chandas and the 4th padam is composed in Upendravajra Chandas. The combination of Indravajra and Upendravajra, this is yielding us Upajati Chandas. So anyway, so I am going to chant this stotra now and then deliver you the verbatim meanings first, and then we will move on to a checkup on the Upajati pattern. So here I go, my dear friends. Ullanghya sindho salilam salilam यशोकवह्निं जनकात्मजायाः आदायते नैव ददाहलङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम्. Ullanghya means he flew over or crossed over. Sindhoho means of the ocean. Salilam means water. So Salilam means very easily and as if it were a mere sport for him. Leela is the sport in Sanskrit. Salilam means he crossed over the entire water of the ocean. Ullanghya sindhoho salilam salilam. He crossed over the entire ocean of the water very easily as if it were a mere sport for him. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So moving on, the second padam, Yashokavanhim Janakatmajayayaha. There is a brilliant metaphor used here. Yashokavanhim Janakatmajayaha. The fire called the pain and grief of Devi Sita. Yaha Shokavanhim. The fire called the pain and grief of Devi Sita. Janakatmajayaha Adayava. He brought that fire. The same fire called the pain and grief of Devi Sita. And Adaya Tenaiva, and by itself Dadaha Lanka, burned the entire Lanka. Fantastic, brilliant poetry, isn't it, my dear friends? Yashokavanhim Janakatmajayaha Adaya Tenaiva Dadaha Lanka Namamitam Pranjaliranjaneyam. That is the 4th padam. So such a Lord Anjaneya, Namamitam Pranjali, he means with folded palms. I am going to go down to Lord Sri Anjaneya. That is the fantastic meaning, my dear friends. So we will just chant this fantastic stotra again and then take up the pattern, the chandas. Ullanghya sindho salilam salilam yashokavanhim janakatmajaya adayate naiva dadaha lankam namamitam pranjaliranjaneyam. Fantastic, brilliant stotra. So we'll just have a check on the pattern now. I told you first 3 lines are composed in Indravajra. Recalling the Indravajra pattern, Syarindravajra tatajastato go. So we have to get the tatajan go, that is double guru. TTJ and double guru we have to get. So just have a check up on the first padam. Ullanghya sindho salilam salilam. Ullanghya is yielding as double 10, that is T Artakana. Sindhosa is yielding as double 10 again, that is T Artakana. And then Lilam Sa is yielding as 010, that is J Arjagana. Lilam is the final double guru. So we got TTJ and double guru Tatajas Tato. The condition is satisfied. So it is exactly Indravajra pattern. Likewise, you can just have a check on the 2nd and the 3rd padam. It will be exactly Indravajra. Moving on to the 4th padam, Namamitam Pranjaliranjaneyam. Namami is giving us 010, and then Pranjali, Namami Tam Pranja is giving us double 10. Recalling the Upendravajra pattern, Upendravajra Jatadas Tato Go. So that is the pattern. We have to get Jatajaha and Tato Go. That is J, T, J and double guru. So we just check. Namami is yielding as 010, that is J Arjagana. Tam Pranja we are getting as double 10, that is Tagana or T, and And then Liranja we are getting as 010, that is again a J Arjagana, and then Neyam. Liranjaneyam, name is the final double group. So it is exactly Upendra Vajra, Jataja we got. So likewise, because it is the combination of Upendra Vajra and Indra Vajra, this is an Upajati Chandas. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So this is the Anjaneya Upajati Stotra. I covered the verbatim meanings and also the poetical analysis. So and the Chandas. So I am going to chant this again and we will move on to the other video. उल्लंघ्य सिंधोः सलिलं सलीलं यशोकवह्निं जनकात्मजायाः आदाय तेनैव ददाह लङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम्. Fantastic, brilliant stotra. So in the next upcoming video, I am going to deliver you Sri Anjaneya Malini Stotra. That is a stotra, a eulogy on Lord Sri Anjaneya, composed in Malini Chandas. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Devi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762330115. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Satti Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.